Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 23. This is Section 2.3, Problem 23. It says determine if the fractions are equivalent, and we have 3 over 7 and 7 over 3. Well, it does have the same numbers involved, but it turns out they're not equivalent. What you want to do is multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the other, and then multiply the numerator and denominator going the other way. So if I multiply the numerator of the first fraction times the denominator of the second fraction, I'm multiplying 3 times 3, which gives me a result of 9. And then the other way, I'd have a denominator of 7 times a numerator of also 7. 7 times 7, which is 49. And now those two numbers are certainly not the same. So these two fractions are certainly not equivalent.